If you're working in the US and ignoring this one legal account, you're literally burning $50,000 in free money every single decade without even realizing it. The top 1% don't just work for salary. They use Level 3 wealth automation, tax-deferred growth through a 401k that turns monthly paychecks into multi-million-dollar portfolios. Inside this video, I'll reveal the exact 3-step formula to double your employer's contribution, plus the fatal mistake at minute 130 that triggers a massive penalty. Here's how it works. A 401k takes money straight out of your paycheck before income tax is calculated. Lower taxable income today, bigger investment base for tomorrow. And here is the ultimate cheat code, employer match. If your company offers a 5% match and you invest 5%, they match it dollar for dollar. That's guaranteed 100% instant return. But wait, should you 401k? Traditional cuts taxes today, giving you a break now. Roth uses post-tax dollar. Every dollar you withdraw in retirement is 100% tax-free. Don't break that compound chain. Putting money into a 401k isn't enough. You must select investments, avoid high-date funds, and pick low-cost S&P 500 index funds to keep 99% of gains. This is how you win. Look at this snowball effect. Investing just $500 a month, with an average 10% market return, turns into over $1 million in 30 years thanks to compounding. Compounding is powerful. Pulling money out before age 59 and a half triggers a massive 10% IRS penalty, plus full income tax, thanks to compacts. Never touch it early. Check your company's vesting schedule. This is when matched money becomes fully yours. And if you change jobs, never cash out. Do a direct tax-free rollover to an IRA. Let's summarize the retirement strategy. First, get your full employer match. Second, invest in low-cost index funds. And third, do not touch it early. Take control of your financial future. Now that you master 401ks, remember that wealth building fails if you make the #1 biggest mistake with your paycheck. Taken financial future. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult a licensed CPA or financial advisor for your personal situation. Are you using a traditional or Roth 401k? Comment Roth or traditional below right now. Smash that like button if this video helped you avoid silly mistakes. Let's build that wealth together. To manage money like the top 1% right now, click the Master Finance playlist on your screen right now to unlock all 1% money secrets and to never miss another wealth building guide.